Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this laptop. So first, click these three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen on the status bar to enable the control center. Then, click the Bluetooth icon to make it turn the blue color. Then click the arrow icon next to it, and then to connect any Bluetooth device to your laptop you'll have to put it into pairing mode. To get to know how to put your device into pairing mode, you have to check the manual to your device, and once you put your device into pairing mode, you will see it on this list. Click on it, and this way it will be connected to your laptop. Now to disconnect it, click on it once again and select. Click on it once again and select disconnect right here. And if you want to remove this device from your computer, you have to go to more Bluetooth settings by clicking right here, and then tap the three dot icon right above your device and select remove device, and this way you will remove this device from your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.